Question says in the diagram, the angle at WZ and Y, that's at Z, and the angle at WY and X are right angle. That is, these two angles, this angle here and this angle here are right angle, telling us that these two triangles, let's label this triangle A and triangle B, are right angled triangles. The question wants us to find the perimeter of W, that's from W, X, Y, and Z. Now, to find this perimeter, our perimeter will definitely come from WX plus YX plus ZW plus ZY. Now, that will be equals to WX is unknown, we'll write that as WX, plus YX, or you write it as XY, that's 12, plus WZ, that's 4, plus YZ or ZY, write that as 3. Now, the challenge is to find WX first. How do I find WX first? I have WZ, which is 4. I have ZY, which is given as 3, but I don't have this side. Let's label this as X. Now, if I have X and I also have YZ, definitely I'll be able to look for this side. Let's label this side as Y. Now, to find X first, we're going to solve for X. I'm going to solve for X. I'm solving for X from the triangle that says WZY. So that my X from that triangle, X squared, using Pythagoras theorem, is the same thing as 4 squared plus 3 squared. So that X squared will be the same thing as 16. 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared, that's 9. And X squared will be the same thing as what? 25. So that X now will be the same thing as the root of 25, which is equals to 5. Now, if my X here is the same thing as 5, now what is my Y? Same way I use Pythagoras theorem, my Y now will come from 5 squared plus 12 squared. 5 squared is the same thing as 25, and 12 squared is 144. So that Y squared, sorry, this is Y squared, not just Y. Y squared will be the same thing as 144 plus 25. That's 169. Now, my Y will be the same thing as the square root of 169. The square root of 169 is the same thing as 13. My Y will be 13. So, and I know that my Y is the same thing as WX. So I can now solve for my perimeter, so that here, permit me to just write up here, my perimeter will now be given as my WX, which is now 13, plus 12, plus 4, plus 3. 12 plus 13, that's 25. 25 plus 7, that's the same thing as 32. That's 32 centimeter. That's the same thing as option B. Option B is the right answer.